As you saw, now we have our pictures attached to the project, and we would like to add some more information. So we can tap on See All in the photo section, and we can now enter each singular photo and add some more information. For example, here we could say Edit. And once we're here, we select the color that we would like to use, and we can annotate our damage. For example, here we can highlight the damaged area. We can add arrows if we want. We also have the option here, if we don't want to draw the arrow, we can use the arrow directly so it appears and it's more, let's say, it's clearer, right? And important thing, if we want, we can also redact the photo. So if you have faces or information that you don't want to show, they will be hidden or blurred, as you can see. We tap on done once we're happy with our photo, and we can go ahead and do this thing with any other photo.